I'm going to start off with cell A1, the intersection between the column and the row right here. I'm going to leave that blank. And I'm going to put the information in B1, the column row intersection. Let's see, going to put reports here, next quarters, and then year end data. I'm going to start from A2 and put the other information down here. I'm going to put the month of January, I'm going to put the month of April, and then I'm going to put the month of July. Notice what happens when I type the J to start off spelling out the word July. If you notice, it thinks I'm going to type the word January because it's going to auto copy. But I'm going to continue spelling out the word July. Here we go. And let me put my numbers here. Let's see, 25, 15. These are numbers just made up. 89. Let me go back here. 63, 41, 29, 38, and 70. Okay. Now where I want the totals to be placed vertically, up and down, I'm going to place in B5. You can also see that I am at B5 with this name box right here. After I place where I want the total to be, I'm going to click on the AutoSum button. And before I do, I want you to notice Excel understands different functions, addition, multiplication, all of that with equals, then that formula function, and then the cells. In Excel, this is the way it understands addition. Unless you put the equal sign there, and then the function that you're going to use, Excel is not going to give you the result that you're looking for. In addition to that, yes, you do see the numbers as you saw in that example that was shown up there. Also here where it says 25, 41, and 29. But you have to have the formula typed out as shown here, otherwise Excel won't necessarily accept it. So I'm going to be clicking on the AutoSum button here, and then I'm going to click on the Enter key on the keyboard, and there is the total. I'm going to do the same thing here because I want the total of these numbers to be added, and Excel understands 15 as C2, column C, row 2, 63 as C3, and 38 as C4. So I'm going to place the total in cell C5 because that's where I need for it to be. Click on AutoSum again, and then click Enter, and there's my total. I'm going to do one more, but I'm going to do it differently. Okay, I'm going to click on AutoSum, and there is another way you can have your information accepted. If you see this check mark here, which is going to turn green, you can click here to enter the information that you need. So I'm going to click here one time, and there is my total.